Eritrea, a land of ancient history and breathtaking landscapes where every corner tells a story of the past. It sits on the Horn of Africa, a strategic location that has influenced its rich cultural tapestry. This country boasts a coastline that stretches over 2,200 kilometers, offering endless vistas of natural beauty. The Red Sea laps at its shores, providing a serene and picturesque setting. Eritrea is a place of rugged mountains, vast deserts, and pristine islands, each contributing to its unique charm. It's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those with a sense of adventure and a love for nature. Within this diverse landscape lies a treasure trove of natural wonders, from lush valleys to arid deserts. One such treasure is the Dahlak Archipelago, a paradise for marine life enthusiasts and explorers. It's a group of over 350 islands, each with its own unique ecosystem and beauty. They are scattered off the coast of Eritrea in the Red Sea, creating a stunning mosaic of land and water. These islands offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time, where nature reigns supreme. Eritrea's unique location and history have shaped its culture and traditions, making it a land of rich heritage. It's a melting pot of influences, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. This makes it a fascinating destination for travelers seeking authentic experiences and a deeper understanding of the world. From the bustling markets of Asmara to the ancient ruins of Adulis, Eritrea has something to offer everyone, promising an unforgettable journey through time and culture. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and hidden gems from around the world. Among the Dahlak Archipelago's many gems, one stands out: Dahlak Kabir. This island is not just a geographical marvel but a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. It's the largest island in the archipelago, sprawling over a vast area that offers endless exploration opportunities. Dahlak Kabir is a true paradise. It boasts pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a serene environment that invites relaxation and peace. The island is steeped in a rich cultural heritage with traditions and customs that have been preserved for generations. The island is a haven for nature lovers, offering lush greenery and a diverse array of wildlife that captivates the senses. It's a sanctuary for diverse marine life, with vibrant coral reefs and an underwater world teeming with life, perfect for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Its unspoiled beauty is a testament to Eritrea's commitment to conservation, ensuring that the island remains a pristine natural wonder. Dahlak Kabir offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you want to lounge on the beach or engage in water sports, there's something for everyone. It's the perfect destination for those seeking an escape from the ordinary, providing a tranquil beach getaway where you can find solitude and peace. The island's remote location has helped preserve its natural beauty, making it a secluded paradise away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It remains largely untouched by mass tourism, allowing visitors to experience its unspoiled landscapes and empty beaches. This makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking authenticity and tranquility, offering a peaceful retreat where you can connect with nature. Dahlak Kabir is a place where time seems to stand still, with its timeless beauty and serene atmosphere creating a perfect escape. Visitors can truly disconnect and immerse themselves in the island's serene ambiance, enjoying a calm and immersive experience that rejuvenates the soul. Dahlak Kabir is a visual feast. Its landscapes are as diverse as they are beautiful. The island boasts pristine white sand beaches. They are lapped by the turquoise waters of the Red Sea. Inland, the landscape transforms into arid plains and volcanic hills. The island's coastline is dotted with secluded coves. They are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. The interior is home to a variety of plant and animal life. It's a testament to the island's resilience in a harsh climate. One of the most striking features of Dahlak Kabir is its mangrove forests. They line the shores of the island. These forests provide a vital habitat for a variety of marine species. They also help protect the island from erosion. Dahlak Kabir has a rich and storied past. It dates back centuries. The island was once an important trading post. It connected the Red Sea with the Mediterranean. It played host to a succession of ancient civilizations. Evidence of this rich history can still be seen today. Ruins of ancient settlements dot the island. They whisper tales of a bygone era. The island's strategic location made it a coveted prize for empires throughout history. Dahlak Kabir was ruled by the Aksumites, the Ottomans, and the Italians. Each civilization left its mark on the island's culture and architecture. Today these remnants serve as a reminder of Dahlak Kabir's enduring legacy. Section 5. The vibrant culture of Dahlak Kabir's inhabitants. Despite its remote location, Dahlak Kabir is home to a small but vibrant community. The islanders are known for their warm hospitality. They have a deep connection to their cultural heritage. The island's culture is a blend of African, Arab, and Asian influences. This is reflected in their music, dance, and cuisine. Visitors to Dahlak Kabir are welcomed with open arms. They can experience the island's unique way of life firsthand. Traditional fishing is the mainstay of the island's economy. The islanders have a deep respect for the sea. They rely on sustainable fishing practices. This ensures the preservation of their livelihood for generations to come. Section 6. Diving into adventure, exploring the underwater wonders. For adventure seekers, Dahlak Kabir offers a world of possibilities. The island is surrounded by pristine coral reefs. These reefs are teeming with marine life. Diving and snorkeling are popular activities. They allow visitors to witness the beauty of this underwater paradise. The waters around Dahlak Kabir are home to over 300 species of fish. They also boast a variety of corals, rays, and sharks. For those who prefer to stay dry, glass-bottom boat tours are a great way to experience the reefs. These tours offer a glimpse into the vibrant ecosystem that thrives beneath the surface. Section 7. A birdwatcher's paradise: avian diversity on Dahlak Kabir. Dahlak Kabir is a haven for birdwatchers. The island is an important stopover point for migratory birds. They travel between Europe, Asia, and Africa. Over 200 species of birds have been recorded on the island. They include ospreys, flamingos, and sooty falcons. The best time to visit for birdwatching is during the migration seasons. This is from April to May and September to October. The island's diverse habitats provide a range of environments for birds to thrive. From the mangrove forests to the coastal plains, there's always something new to discover for bird enthusiasts. Section 8. Savoring the flavors, culinary delights of Dahlak Kabir. This island, nestled in the Red Sea, offers a unique culinary experience that is a feast for the senses. No trip to Dahlak Kabir is complete without sampling the local cuisine. The island's food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and traditions. The island's cuisine is a delicious fusion of Eritrean and Yemeni flavors, creating a unique gastronomic experience that reflects its rich cultural heritage. It's heavily influenced by the island's bounty of fresh seafood. The clear waters surrounding Dahlak Kabir are teeming with marine life, providing an abundance of fresh fish and shellfish. One of the must-try dishes is sugo. This hearty stew is a staple in many local households. It's a spicy meat stew that is rich in flavor and often enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. It's often served with injera, a traditional flatbread that perfectly complements the stew. Injera is a spongy flatbread made from teff flour, known for its slightly sour taste and unique texture. Another local favorite is shihan ful. This dish is a testament to the island's diverse culinary influences. It's a fava bean stew that is both nutritious and flavorful, often enjoyed as a hearty breakfast or lunch. It's seasoned with berbere, a traditional Eritrean spice blend that adds a distinctive kick to many dishes. Freshly caught fish is a staple of the island's diet. The local markets are brimming with a variety of fish, straight from the sea. It's often grilled or fried to perfection, offering a simple yet delicious way to enjoy the island's seafood. It's served with rice and lentil soup, making for a wholesome and satisfying meal. Visitors can enjoy their meals in local restaurants where the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. They can also savor the flavors of Dahlak Kabir while taking in the stunning ocean views, making every meal a memorable experience. Section 9. Sustainable tourism, preserving the island's pristine beauty. Dahlak Kabir is a pristine paradise. It's important to preserve its natural beauty for future generations. The Eritrean government is committed to promoting sustainable tourism practices on the island. Visitors are encouraged to minimize their impact on the environment. They should respect the local culture. There are initiatives in place to reduce waste and conserve water. These efforts aim to ensure that Dahlak Kabir remains a pristine destination for years to come. Local communities are actively involved in tourism development. This ensures that the benefits of tourism are shared equitably. By choosing eco-friendly options and supporting local businesses, visitors can contribute to the island's sustainable future. Section 10. Getting there and away. Your journey to Dahlak Kabir. Getting to Dahlak Kabir is an adventure in itself. The most common way to reach the island is by boat from Massawa. Massawa is a port city on the Eritrean mainland. Boats depart regularly from Massawa. The journey takes about 2 to 3 hours. It offers stunning views of the Red Sea and the surrounding islands. There are also domestic flights available from Asmara, the capital of Eritrea, to Massawa. It's advisable to arrange transportation and accommodation in advance, especially during peak season. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable trip to this secluded island paradise. Section 11, Dahlak Kabir, an unforgettable island escape. Dahlak Kabir is a true hidden gem. It's a testament to the beauty and diversity of Eritrea's coastline. With its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and rich cultural heritage, it's no wonder that Dahlak Kabir is considered Eritrea's best island. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into a world untouched by time, Dahlak Kabir has something to offer everyone. So why wait? Discover the magic of this Eritrean paradise for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and hidden gems from around the world.